We're going to divide using fraction notation. The quotient that we'll be finding is 24 over 5 divided by 28 over 15. Remember, when we divide using fraction notation, we multiply by the reciprocal of a divisor. So we can write this as 24 over 5 times the reciprocal of 28 over 15, which is 15 over 28. And now we multiply numerators, and we multiply denominators, and then we look to see if we can simplify the product. I see that 24 and 28 each have a factor of 4, and I see that there's a factor of 5 in the denominator, and 15 has a factor of 5. So I'm going to factor in the numerator. I'm going to write 24 as 4 times 6, and I'm going to write 15 as 3 times 5. And in the denominator, I have 5 times, and I'm going to rewrite 28 as 4 times 7. Now I see that I have a 4 in the numerator and the denominator, and also a factor of 5. So I can write this as the product 4 times 5 over 4 times 5 times, in the numerator I have 6 times 3, and I've taken out the 4 and the 5. I have a 7 in the denominator. 4 times 5 over 4 times 5 is equal to 1. So I have 1 times 6 times 3 over 7, or just 6 times 3 over 7. And now I just finished the multiplication in the numerator. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So the quotient is 18 over 7.